this month's technical hotspot, we'll look at SAIT Abrasive's new Zirconia portable sanding belts. Zirconia has been developed to give fast cutting speeds combined with excellent longevity of abrasive life, innovatively brought to the portable sanding belt market by SAIT. SAIT Zirconia gives superior stock removal in comparison to normal aluminium oxide belts, so production can be completed quicker and more cost effectively when combined with the extra life that Zirconia exhibits. Resin bonded onto a polycotton belt backing, SAIT Zirconia eliminates untimely snapping of belts if inadvertently snagged during the sanding process. In a simple 5-minute run test on solid oak, SAIT Zirconia gives an impressive 42% more stock removal when compared to aluminium oxide portable belts of the same size and grit. Available with an exclusive launch offer from Movac Group Limited, SAIT Zirconia portable belts come in popular sizes of 75 by 533mm and 100 by 610mm in a grit range from P24 to P180 grit. To take advantage of the launch price, advice on SAIT abrasive products, or other abrasive related questions, contact Movac, the solution provider.